You're looking good today.
My dandruff's been so much better since I stopped with the
Serious?
oils. The only time I oil is when I wash my hair.
Thank you.
That's it.
You don't need to oil so much. You are overdoing it. Alright, let's have a look.
Unless I once every 2 weeks.
Yes,
yes.
Because you're low porosity as well.
Yeah.
When I use the hair dryer on you, it stays in there for a little while. So you don't have to like oversaturate it. You get what I'm saying? Okay, yeah.
And it's been easier to wash my hair as well with all the oils.
I see a bit of flake still, but not as much.
They're smaller, aren't
they? Not as much as how it used to be. Highly blissfulness, everyone. It's your girl Nix. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am working on my client who is coming in for his 6 weeks retwist. I'm using my holistic hair healing approach, and I'm focusing on the gentle and restorative technique to not only style but to improve the overall health and the scalp and hair quality. All right, so we're going to be looking at our client's hair after 6 weeks. And when this client first came in, he was struggling with some scalp issues. He had flakiness, dryness, and irritated scalp. His scalp will turn red, and then there'll have like, sore spots on his scalp. But after 6 weeks of constant and consistency, using the holistic hair healing approach, my client has been using my home care remedy and my customized shampoo and oil blend. And I'm very happy to report that his scalp is healing beautiful, and we've balanced the scalp pH and restored the natural oils, which is the key to promoting his healthy hair growth and a nourished scalp. So why am I using the comb, twist and palm roll method? For this retwist, I've chosen the comb twist and palm roll technique. I like to call this my holistic hair healing method because it's much gentler on the scalp and on the hair itself. And by twisting and palm rolling, instead of using more aggressive methods like some other techniques you can use, I am able to maintain the integrity of the hair strands and prevent breakage. And this also allows the hair to lock naturally in its healthiest state without putting unnecessary stress on the scalp. The palm rolling method in particular mimics the natural circular motion of the hair follicle, which is going to encourage the hair to lock smoothly while still allowing flexibility and strength. Let's talk about the benefits of using Nettle and horsetail products. One of the key factors in my client's scalp therapy recovery has been the use of my Nettle and horsetail-infused hair products. Both of these herbs are incredible for scalp health. Nettle is rich in silica and sulfur, which help in making the hair shinier and healthier. It's also fantastic for reducing dandruff and improving circulation to the scalp. And this is going to give it a stimulating effect, which is going to promote hair growth. Horsetail contains high level of silica as well, and it's going to strengthen the hair from within and reduce breakage. So I use both horsetail and Nettle. But horsetail is known to support collagen production, which plays a vital role in healthy hair and scalp. So I combine these two natural ingredients in my shampoo and oils, and I am not only addressing the surface level issues like dryness, but I'm working to heal the scalp at a deeper level. And the final result and benefits of this method, as you can see, the retwist is coming along beautifully, and the scalp looks healthy and hydrated. The hair is locking in smoothly, and I'm confident that using these holistic gentle methods will continue to improve both the appearance and overall health of my client's hair. The goal right now is not just to achieve style, but to promote long-term vitality of the hair and scalp. Alright, so don't forget about that, because you have to nurture what is beautiful, and your hair is your beauty. Thanks for watching, and remember, healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. All right. Guys, if you're ready to transform your hair and scalp health with holistic natural methods, book your appointment with me today. I am here to guide you through your hair journey, and we're going to use gentle techniques and healing products tailored to your unique needs. If you want, you can visit my website or follow me on TikTok at Organics and YouTube on NYX Natural Natty Sister to see more result tips and updates. Let's achieve a healthier, beautiful hair together, one twist at a time. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with anyone who's looking for a healthier hair care solution. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.